Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to get a Google Drive. So basically Google Drive is integrated with Gmail. So if you want to get or you want to have a Google Drive, you need to make an email on Gmail first. So for example, you can click on Gmail and then click on add another account like this and click on Google, and then you can just set up an email and make a new account, a Gmail account. So you can just create the account, and later when you open the Google Drive, it will automatically be logged in as your email that you create. So like this is my email. So basically if you already have a Gmail, you already have a Google Drive too, so you don't need to make a new Google Drive account. So you can just make a Gmail and then open Google Drive and log in into your Gmail, and here is my Google Drive. Okay, so that's the tips from me. I hope it was helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you on the next videos. Bye.